Hello and welcome to the C# and Visual Studio Productivity Masterclass. Thank you very much for taking the course. I'm happy to have you here. I'm really excited to make you a productivity monster when it comes to C# programming in Visual Studio, because I know from myself how it was at the beginning, typing everything, and now it's so much easier using shortcuts, using code snippets, using all of those tools that I'm using right now. This just made me a better developer, more productive, and in general, my code is cleaner and best practices. Okay, so we are going to cover a bunch of topics that will help you to get to that point of being a productivity monster using C# and Visual Studio. Okay, so we're going to start with shortcuts. So we're going to look into what are the different shortcuts and how can we create our own shortcuts to become even more productive using our own keyboard combinations that just work for us in order to make sure that we really use them, because what is a shortcut if you don't use it? Therefore, we're going to start with the navigation, so how to navigate quickly through Visual Studio. Then you will learn how to use shortcuts in general when working with Visual Studio. Afterwards, we're going to look at how to create our own code snippets and use code snippets in general. These are really powerful tools that make you so much faster when encoding, because you don't need to type everything. You just type a short code and the whole code block is there for you. Then we're going to look at a couple of tools and plugins / extensions, how they call them in Visual Studio, in order to put you on the speed track and really get things done a lot quicker by seeing errors quicker, by seeing solutions for those errors quicker, and so forth. And then finally, we are going to look at ReSharper, which is one of the most powerful plugins out there, maybe even the most powerful one. And we're going to see what you can do with it and how you can become even faster using this particular plugin. Okay, so I'm really excited to get you to where you want to be. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the Q&A. Of course, as always, I would recommend to research first before asking in the Q&A. But if you can't get any further without asking us, we are super happy to help you. Okay, so enjoy this course and see you in the next video.